Hello students, you observe the word here, estimation. What is estimation? Estimation means you say close enough, very close. Estimation is finding a number that is close enough to right answer. Estimation is an important aspect of everyday life. Yes, what is the use of estimation in our daily life? So you watch the video and find out.
Estimation and rounding off numbers. In our daily life, we come across many situations such as 500 students nearly assembled in a school prayer. 15,000 people approximately visit Ramoji Film City daily. 10,000 tons weight roughly lifted by a heavy crane. The words nearly, approximately, roughly are used to show that something is almost near the number but not completely. In fact, 15,000 may be 14,957 or 15,154. That is, it may be little less or more, but not exactly the stated number. Estimation is also a good way of checking answers. We usually round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, etc. Look at the example which is shown on the screen, rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. 51 is near to 50 than 60. So 51 is rounded off to 50. 56 is nearer to 60 than 50. So it is rounded off to 60. Let us do a simple activity on rounding off the numbers. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands by clicking the appropriate option. Let us revise the concept how to expand a number using place value. For example, look at the number 85. Here, 5 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place, such that by multiplying the digits with their respective place values, we can.
After watching this video, you observe that there's a three words come: nearly, approximate, and roughly. So in our daily life, we use different type of words to find the estimation. Some lines also given one example in your book. Imagine a big celebration at your home. Obviously, there is a many celebration, birthday party, marriage party, and other party organized in our family or in our home. The first things you do is to estimate how many guests may visit you. How many guests will visit you? It is not possible to know the exact number of visitors. We know about nearly 200 or nearly 500, nearly 25, nearly 30. We say these words. Similarly, when your school plans to celebrate the annual function in a big way, an estimate of guests to be invited and of the expenditure to be ensured need to be worked out. So estimation, watch here. I write some things. First, estimating a number to the nearest 10 by rounding off. For rounding off a number to the nearest 10, what? To the nearest 10, because it's the nearest 10. What we need? We look for two consecutive tens, 10, 20, 20, 30, or 30, 40, 40, 50, and so on, between which the number lies. One example is there, 12. So what's this? 12 lies between two consecutive tens, that is 10 and 20. So here, this is the 12. So I explain you, rounding off or estimation is very close to. So 12 is very close to 10. Is it clear? So what is the procedure to find the rounding off? First, you have to draw a number lines and mark the numbers between two consecutive tens and then observe. So here 12 is closer to 10, then closer to 10, closer to 10, then to 20, then to 20. Therefore, 12 is rounded off, or you write so, 12 is rounded off downwards to wards to 10. Is it clear? And now, if we consider another example, that is here 18 words, well, number 18. So what you observing here? 18 is very close to 20. So here you observe 8 is closer to 20 than to 10. So 18 is rounded off. Here we write the downwards. So in place of downwards, we use the upwards. Upwards to 20. When it is less than 5, what's the ones digit? If ones digit is less than 5, here 4, 3, 2, 1. then it is rounded off to downwards, that is tens. When the ones digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we rounded off it upwards 20. Is it clear? So here, estimating a number to nearest 10. So in place of 10, we write here 100 by rounding off. So another example, check the example, that is 205 and 642 or 783. So let's check the first. Write the numbers hundreds consecutive of hundreds. So it is 205. So we write here 100 and then this 200. Write the numbers between them. So you are observing here 205. We want to round off in 100. Ones, tens, 100. So what's the number here? That is the 0. So 0 is less than 5. So we rounded it to 200. Watch 642. Watch the digit here, tens place, that is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we rounded it nearest to 600. What's here? The words tens, that is the 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we rounded it and it is very close to 100, 800. So 642, it is rounded off 600. 205 is very close to 200. 783, it is very close to 800. And same as we rounded off nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000. Thousands, suppose there are two numbers. So first you count the 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. That is the word to round it off. What's the number just right side to the given number? That is 4. 4, what is 4? 4 is less than 5. So it is rounded off 2, 3 and remaining places. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Was this words or this digit? So you are observing here this digit. There is the 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we round it up. 8, 9 and 4 in place. 5. We write the 0. That is rounded up nearest to 1000. So, and so on. You solve the exercise and write the question. Now students, watch again the estimation according to your book. Estimation is a number that is close to right answer. Estimation is an important aspect of everyday life. Nearest tens examples are given. Pause the video and watch the examples. And here, important notes. It is a convention that a halfway number is rounded off upwards. I explain you here. If it is less than 5, replace it by 0. If it is 5 or greater than 5, replace it by 0 and increase the 10 digit by 1. Example is here. 28 is rounded off to 30 because here 8 is greater than 5. So we add 1 here. This is 2, so we add 1, that is 3. This is 30 and so on. Estimation rounding off nearest to 100. 410 is closer to 400, then to 50, 500, so on. Check the examples also given there. Some examples are here. Now estimation, the nearest 1000, 2573, it is 3000. Here 5, so we add 1, 3. What's this? And solve like as the given example. Solution. And now watch the exercise and pause the video and write the question and solve them. Another example is also estimating the sum or difference or product. So here 730 plus 998, so rounded off. So how we do this example? So first we write the rounded off 730, so it is 700. This is 700. 998 is very close to 1000, so we write here 1000 and then add them, we get 1700. Same as 796 is rounded off, it is 800, so we write 800, and 397 is rounded off to 400, so we write 400 and then subject, we get subtract and get the answer. So same examples are given there. Watch the examples and same. The product are here. 578 is rounded off to 600. 161 is rounded off to 200 and then multiply. So 20 and 20, 40 and 6 to the 12. So we write here. The very simple multiplication. 20, 20 total. We write 40 and 6 multiplied by 13. So 13, 6 are 78. Same as. So watch the examples and solve the given exercise. This is the exercise. I hope enough to solve the questions. And next topic is Roman numeral. Thank you.